Despite increased adoption of predictive maintenance and fewer incidents, the cost of unplanned downtime continues to rise. In 2022, the cost of an hour's downtime for oil and gas facilities was nearly $500,000. Global Fortune 500 firms lost $1.5 trillion in total, a 70% rise compared to 2020, which was 11% in annual revenues. How is that possible? Inflation, stressed supply chains, and the loss of experienced engineers in the workforce are significantly impacting the cost of unplanned downtime. The solution lies in failure response. When an equipment sensor alerts a potential issue, your operations team is unable to quickly access critical text and image data to determine the fix, required parts, and other equipment to maintain in parallel. The necessary information is siloed and unstructured. Although you've invested in sensors and predictive maintenance, you can't achieve full ROI because information is inaccessible on demand, significantly slowing down response time. A key first step to optimizing information accessibility for O&M is building comprehensive bills of materials for your critical equipment. This is typically a time-consuming and costly exercise, but Cenozai's AI-powered BOM module is changing that. One of the biggest challenges is finding the relevant data in large, messy vendor data books that are scattered across many folders and are often duplicated, making it difficult to sort through. Cenozai's AI automatically removes duplicate files, identifies relevant pages, such as cross-sectionals, GAs, and spurs, and finds the equipment tags associated with these pages. Our user interface also allows you to add custom tags or remove false positives. With the associated equipment tag and page type information, you can decide which equipment to build BOM for first, and understand where there may be gaps in the handover data. Then, our AI can help you find and extract the tables from those pages. AI is never perfect, so if it misses a table, you can manually draw the outline of the table and our AI will extract it. Once those tables have been processed, you can easily check and remediate the extracted results if necessary. At this point, you can export the data for input into your CMMS. However, if you want to maximize uptime, we recommend going a step further to convert these single equipment BOMs into equipment class BOMs. Using AI and knowledge graph technology, we can further prune away excess data to find common parts among various equipment, enabling you to effectively optimize your spares strategy. Information accessibility is the key to maximizing ROI on your predictive maintenance investments and staying competitive in spite of current economic and social challenges. And it starts with developing your BOM.